Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward. How to send Solana from Uphold to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know that transferring assets between wallets is a key skill, and with the latest updates, it's even easier. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up, this guide will get you through it quickly and safely. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Uphold app and Coinbase Wallet app installed on your device. Open up Uphold and log in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your Solana (SOL) balance. It should be listed under your assets. Click on it to select. Now, here's where the magic happens. You'll need the recipient address from your Coinbase wallet. Open the Coinbase Wallet app, go to your Solana wallet, and copy the wallet address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Double check it to avoid any mistakes. Back in Uphold, hit the Send or Withdraw button for your Solana. Paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of SOL you want to send. Remember, always leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on Solana's blockchain congestion in 2025. Before you confirm, review everything carefully. Check the address, the amount, and any estimated fees. Once you're good, hit Confirm, and Uphold will process the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network traffic. Once it's done, hop back into Coinbase Wallet and refresh your balance. You should see your Solana there. Pro tip: always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication for security. And if you run into any issues, reach out to Uphold or Coinbase support. That's it for today's tutorial. Sending Solana has never been simpler. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.